Mello made it right.
Nigga, I was damn bad. Now I'm on a jet for real. Got all this ice on me, baby. Told my protector chill.
Back with another different type of aux cord users. Here I'm with
Cesar, Brenda.
Alright, hope you guys enjoy. If you guys enjoy, subscribe and like. Funny. Hurry up, get in, mate. The one that plays a song that nobody knows.
Alright, I'm gonna play this song. Everyone listens to it.
Okay.
I'm a gummy bear, oh me yummy tummy funny lucky gummy bear. I'm a jelly bear, 'cause I'm a gummy bear, gummy bear.
Brandon's favorite song. You heard? Alright guys, I'm gonna play a song. This is one of my favorite songs ever, right? Y'all ready for this? This is some gangster shit though. I ain't bad. This shit or what? The one with the busted speakers.
And I'm gonna play a real banger right here.
Hey bro, you can turn it up a little bit, bro.
The speakers are
So that's all it goes?
yeah. Oh my god.
Bro, I'm out of this bitch, bro. Unlock the doors, bro. Unlock the doors, bro. The one that thinks they can hit the high note.
Hey, let me play a song.
Whatever, man.
Hey! I want you. What?
You're really good at singing, bro. The one that plays the same artist.
They gon' tell the story, shit was different with me. God's plan.
I'm tired of this, bro. You always playing this dumbass song. It's annoying. God, man.
I feel good, son.
Want me to switch it?
Yes.
Ah, bro.
Started from the bottom, now my whole team in. Niggas started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now the whole team fucking here. I just kept it real from the jump. Living at my mama's house, we'd argue every month, nigga. I was trying to get it on my own.
Can you change it?
I guess. I mean, who doesn't like Drake? Here, we which way? I play a good one, right? I'll play a good one.
Got a reputation for yourself now.
Bruh!
The one that changes song every 5 seconds. We've been playing music a lot. Should we let her hit it?
Yeah.
You can go and hit the aux if you want. I fucked with this song, bro.
It's good.
This one's pretty good too.
Okay.
The Die Hard X Fam.
Give me that shit.
Tell me what's your name? Hey, yeah.
Hey, bro.
Yeah. Hey.
It's a banger. Hey, can't you like to get my face? Hey, mom ain't so love me no more. Hey, she came me up. Hey.
The thug that plays music that doesn't match their life.
I'm gonna play a song, nigga.
You like this music?
Yeah, you got a problem with Katy Perry, nigga?
No, do you have a problem?
No, she good.
I like it, I like it.
Nice!
The one that drip too hard, don't stand too close, you gonna fucking run and drown.
Hey, drip too hard, don't stand too close, you gon' fucking run and drown. Off this way, doing our shows, I've been on the road, I'm lying, soon as I get. Don't stand too close, you gon' fucking run and drown. Off this way, doing our shows, I've been on the road, I don't care why.
Alright guys, welcome to types of what's going on. Oh bro, you can turn it up, bro.
Thanks, bro. That's all the way it goes? No, you stupid. You said. No, the first time doing it.
It took you forever just to do that one thing.
Bro, my knee.
You see my phone? Nah.
break the record like Guinness.
Hurry up.
Paper keep spinning. Yeah. I'ma break the record like Guinness.
Off this way, doing our show.